Okay, so in this example, we're going to learn how to use Excel in Mac to construct a frequency distribution. So here I have a data set of drinks purchased. So first thing we're going to do is click anywhere from cell A1 to A14, basically where your data is. You can click anywhere. So I'm just going to click on A1. Then you're going to go to the Insert tab and click on Recommended Pivot Tables. Okay, so when you do that, it opens up the pivot table in another sheet. Now here on the right hand side, you have your pivot table fields, and you'll notice there is a field called Brands Purchased, which is this data set right here. So when you click on this pivot table section here, the pivot table fields opens up. So you can go ahead and click the brands purchased. You will see that the values have been counted and it's showing up as 50. Now we also want the different types of drinks for our table. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag brands purchased and drop it on rows.